Cool, right? Yeah. See, this given earth can have a following different views. So if I see from the front, it has a different shape. Similarly, if you see from the side view, again it looks different. And similarly, if you see from the top view, it's look different, right? So according to the view, you change front, side, top, the angles will be changing, the shapes will be changing. Similarly, now let me consider soap here. Okay, for this soap, here also it will be having different views, like a front view. Yes, you can see there is changes, and similarly the side view, right? And the top view, you can see, right? Yeah. So even this soap has a different views. Now we can also get different views of figure by joining the cubes. For example, the cube made of, or else you can take a figure which is made up of 3 cubes. Look at this picture. You can see, right? It is made up of 3 cubes. Here if you observe, here the different views have different number of cubes in its rows and columns. Then let us look at that. First, let us look at the side view here. So if you observe in the side view, there are 2 cubes in 2 different rows. And if I look into the front view, so it has a 1 cube in the first row and the 2 cube in the second rows. And if I look at from the top of the view, so it is having 2 cubes in 1 row. So you can see the variation, right? Similarly, let's consider the solid made up of 4 cubes like this. Now, here if you observe, in the top view, it has a 1 cube in 1 row, right? Yeah. And it is having 3 cube in the second row. This is for top view. And similarly, if you see the side view, it is having 2 cube in a row. And if you see in the front view, it is having 3 cube in a row. So you can see the variations, right? Yes, this is how we can view the solid figures in the 3 types or 3 ways, which is front view, side view and top view. This is about the viewing. In the next class, let's see about the mapping the space around us.